Am I the only one that didn't know why we snore? This is gonna blow your mind. Let's dive into the science behind snoring. Snoring happens when air can't move freely through your nose and throat while you sleep. This makes the surrounding tissues vibrate, and voila, you've got yourself a snore. Usually it's because your throat muscles are too relaxed, or maybe there's a blockage like a stuffy nose. Fun fact, men snore more than women. Blame it on the different throat structures, and yes, your sleeping position matters too. Sleeping on your back? Gravity's not your friend. So next time someone complains about your snoring, just drop some science on them. Sweet dreams and quieter nights.